Hi there, I'm Chris Goodman, co-founder of Focus Group. It's great to join you today, albeit via camera. We provide a range of business solutions from voice, mobile, IT and data, covering all the services that a business will use to be effective, from their telephone system, their IT infrastructure and new cloud-based products and services.
Focus operates in a really attractive B2B marketplace. It's a large market. The SME segment that Focus targets is worth around 5 billion and growing 6% a year. It's also proven itself to be resilient throughout the economic cycle. In addition, it's highly fragmented, with a large amount of mum-and-pop operators. There's been a structural shift in demand from traditional fixed-line phones and mobiles towards more complex, unified communications. Not only video conferencing, but also data, cloud and IT services. This structural shift has seen an acceleration of demand during the COVID period and represents a great opportunity for the business to cross-sell new services to its existing client base.
We have incredibly low churn. Churn rates are sub 4%, and within the industry that's incredibly low. It's typically high single digits or low double digits. That is really as a result of a very proactive approach in terms of customer service. We have an internal sales team who make contact with customers once every 6 months. Customers below a certain size are contacted automatically via the systems and platforms that we have to make sure that if customers are coming back with low NPS scores or low CSAT scores, that we take a proactive approach in making contact and establishing what the problems are. We don't rely on long-term contracts. We do have contracted terms, but we like to rely on the level of service as the thing that keeps people with us rather than just the term of the contract. We have very strong relationships with a number of trusted partners, including Gamma, Cisco, Microsoft, O2, Vodafone. 16 years of market-leading organic growth has resulted in those suppliers recognising that if incentives are set and if the motivation is there for us to promote and sell their product, that we have the team and the sales engine that can deliver greater growth than probably any of our competitors.
Having tracked the sector for a number of years, it was clear that Focus is the leading independent provider. You can see this in the financial metrics, with organic growth of 15%, well above the market growth rates. High levels of recurring and repeat income at around 85% of earnings. And strong levels of cash generation at around 90%. However, all these metrics are really derivative of what Chris and his team have built here. In particular, the leading sales function in the sector with a highly incentivized entrepreneurial team and a strong, loyal SME customer base. There's now a significant opportunity to scale services into that client base further as demand increases for unified comms, as well as undertake strategic acquisitions to build the business's capabilities.
And so now looking forward, we have the funding we need, we have the vast majority of the people we need, we have the systems and platforms in place, and we have the pedigree in both organic and M&A to go on to the next phase of the journey. We aim to go from an EBITDA in the region of 17.5 million to close to 50 million in the next few years.
Looking at the M&A opportunity, Focus operates in a highly fragmented market with around 6,000 businesses in operation. To date, prior to our investment, the company completed 17 acquisitions. However, this isn't purely about acquisition arbitrage. In addition to cost synergies, there are opportunities to drive EBITDA growth through cross-selling of additional services in the group. Our focus here is similar to that of LRG and Aston Lark, helping to map, originate, and accelerate the M&A pipeline.
So in summary, we start out with the sales engine. We have arguably one of the best sales engines in our sector, with double-digit organic growth year after year. We have the service to go alongside that, so we have an incredibly loyal customer base at sub 4%. We have a track record through M&A, having successfully completed a number of acquisitions and integrated them. The product suite is incredibly broad, with suppliers who are established and robust. Alongside that, we have the resilience of a product set and a sector that, through global financial crisis, through global pandemics, has seen growth maintained. So lastly, with the market shifting from legacy platforms to hosted telephony and cloud IT services, coupled with the fact that there aren't really many competitors of scale within our industry, the opportunities in front of us really are endless, and we look forward to working with Bowmark to maximise those in the future.